In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll add quick tips so you know what each action does and why. Start by opening Webflow in your browser and heading to your workspace dashboard. Find the site you want to work on, then choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. This places you inside the visual editor where you'll manage pages and build content. On the left-hand toolbar, open the Site panels. If you're viewing the element tree, switch to the Pages panel so you can manage your site's pages. You should see your existing pages listed. Click Home to confirm you're looking at the correct project structure. Next, create a new page. Look for the New Page option in the Pages panel and open it. In the dialog that appears, stay on the General tab. Click into the page name field and type the name of your new page. For example, About Us. Choose a clear, human-readable name so teammates instantly know what the page is for. Below that, check the Slug field. Webflow will auto-generate a slug based on your page name, but you can edit it to keep it short, lowercase, and hyphenated. A clean slug helps with search engines and looks better in your URL. When you're happy with the name and slug, click Create. Webflow will add the new page to your list. Return to the Pages panel and open your new page. If the panel is collapsed, just toggle it open again. Select the page you just created, such as About Us, to load it in the canvas. You're now viewing a blank page template, ready for your layout, sections, and content. A few quick pointers as you proceed. Keep page names consistent with your site's navigation labels. Avoid special characters in the slug. And remember that each page can have its own SEO settings later on. If you duplicated content from home to speed up styling, double-check any internal links so they now point to the correct page. That's it. You opened your project from the dashboard, launched the designer, created a new page from the General tab, set a clean name and slug, and then open the page to start building. Go ahead and add your sections, containers, and components